Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a monthly content that I'm going to do in my channel. I've come to the realization that I need to start working on my channel again, get back on doing what I love, which is YouTube, and yeah, why not, right? And this will be one of the monthly contents that I'm going to be uploading. So it's called a What's in my BOXYCHARM unboxing. So for today, I'm going to be unboxing an August 2021 BOXYCHARM. Now, I kind of owe you guys the New York vlog that I'm supposed to make, but right now I don't have the creative juice to actually I don't have the motivation to do that video. I'm going to do it one of these days. Hopefully some creative gods will give me some ideas and whatnot. So I did this whole look using the products that are in this month's box. So if you want to guys check that out, then just keep on watching. Switch. I don't have any makeup on right now because there's two skincare products in the box. First thing in the box is this guy right here. This is where they write the information of the products that's in this box, how much it actually costs and stuff like that. So it says BOXYCHARM, go all out. The first thing in the box is, of course, I'm going to start with skincare products. Is this guy right here. It says Clean Skin Club. Let me open that. So it's this guy right here. Look at how nice the packaging is. I freaking love the color. Y'all know I'm obsessed with this color. It is a clean slate clearing mist. It has salicylic, alpha hydroxy, beta hydroxy acids, and eucalyptus oil that are combined to combat impurities and pollutants. This is powerful yet lightweight formula, effectively reduces acne and breakouts without drying the skin. Mist onto clean skin after cleansing and before serum. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this guy before we put on our makeup, because it says here that we should do it after cleansing and before serum. But right now we will try it for ourselves. So, oh, it smells really kind of citrusy and skincare and spa-like. Sorry. It went into my mouth and throat. It's that misty. It is very lightweight. I like it. It's like my skin drank a glass of water, even though I don't really drink water.
Drink your water, bitch.
This Clean Skin Club is 38 bucks. The next thing in the box is this guy right here. This is the Kate Exfolikate Glow Moisturizer. Revives dull, dry, lackluster looking skin. It has powerhouse ingredients that remove dead surface skin cells while smoothing fine lines and wrinkles to reveal younger looking skin. So we will try that out. I mean, skincares deliver what they claim with continuous use. So right now we'll just give out first impressions and whatnot, and the effectivity actually shows up after using it for quite a long time. You know what I'm saying? Let's put that onto our face. I am not a big fan of moisturizing stuff unless it's winter, because winter actually dries out my skin. Ah, this feels really moisturizing. It feels a little tacky on the skin, but that's how moisturizers feel usually, generally. So I'm gonna let it sit on my skin because it feels a little tacky and I don't want my foundation to like stick to it. So that thing is 70 bucks. Wow, that's really expensive. Like these two alone, they're already like 108 bucks. I only paid for like 27. So this is what I love about BOXYCHARM. Like you get so much nice products, like 5 full-size products. Next box, the next thing in the box is this guy right here. Give them LaLa Beauty, the Grown Woman palette. So this palette is full of earthy and sunset colored mattes and foiled shadow. And highly pigmented eyeshadows that feel buttery and soft and silky to the touch. Let me just try. Oh, that is silky. The size of the pan, it reminds me of the Juvia's Place. And this thing is 42 bucks. Wow, that's expensive. So right now we are looking at 108 plus the 48. So that would mean, I don't know, let's just calculate it at the end of this video. So I am gonna do my foundation, my concealer and whatnot. Next products will be related to that, so I will be right back. I am back. So I already did my foundation, my concealer, and a little bit of like highlight before I set my face. I am going to prime my lids with a P. Louise base that I got from the Morphe store. This, I've heard great things about this. This will be the first time that I'm going to be trying it on camera. I'm kind of like excited to try this in front of you. Disclaimer, this is not included in the box, okay? I'm going to put this on my lid. Looking really good. Like it covers any veins on your lids, so that's really good. Alrighty, I think that's good. So I'm gonna cut my crease with a P. Louise base. So I'm kind of like going for a lighter lid shade, and then I'm gonna go darker as I go out of the lid. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. What do you guys think? I feel like it's gorgeous. The foil shadows are definitely really gorgeous. So the next thing in the box is this guy right here. This is called the Jecca Blac Play Pots. The Jecca Blac Play Pot are cream pigments that can be used on the eyes, lips, and cheeks. As cream pigments, they super easy and effortlessly blend out while still offering you high impact pigment with a vegan cruelty-free formula. So I'm gonna like put them on the center of my lid or on top of this eyeshadow and just like tap it. Not to kind of like, oh yeah, I see it, I see it. I'm gonna try to like put it on this brush and just like put it on top of the lid. I'm gonna put a brow bone color with this shade Stepmom. Yeah, I'm gonna put this as my brow bone. Okay, so I finished the rest of my eyes and like the lower lash line. I put on some falsies and mascara, and I didn't put on some bronzer because the next thing in the box is iconic bronzer. When I saw this on the box, I was like so excited because Iconic London is very expensive, like they are expensive. This is the Iconic London Ultimate Bronzing Powder. It is perfect for creating an all-over sun-kissed warmth or to define and sculpt the face. It has a matte finish, so that's good. I don't like shimmery bronzers anyway. So this is a humongous bronzer. Look at how pretty the packaging is. Like, wow, that is gorgeous. I have mine in the shade medium bronze. They're really big. My favorite bronzer, which is the Physicians Formula bronzer, I'm just gonna like compare it side by side as to like how big it is. Like, look at that. But like, I like the shade. Just gonna dip that in there. Oh, that is gorgeous. Wow, it all over me. What do you guys think? I freaking love it. It's literally like a bronzing and a contouring powder as well. Oh, by the way, this Iconic London bronzing powder is 35 bucks. That's expensive. So that was the last thing in the box. I'm just gonna like do my blush and everything, finish my whole makeup, and I will be right back. Overall total for this month's box is a whooping 206.5. Like, wow, you paid for $27. It's actually 25, but after tax it's 27. You paid for 27 bucks with 5 full-size products. Like, wow, that's actually a really good deal for me. Like, just for me, honestly, I'm a makeup hoarder at this point, so this is really a good thing for me. The things that I liked in this box are the Iconic London bronzer, which was 35 bucks, and the Kate Somerville moisturizer and the clearing mist. These guys were really good. I mean, they're skincare products. You have to like use them all the time to actually feel that it's effective. But other than that, they're really good. Bronzer's like amazing. It's gorgeous. The other products that I didn't like in the box is the Jecca Blac Gold Touch Shimmer Finish pot. I didn't like that it separated the eyeshadows on my lid. I mean, that's usually what happens when you put cream products anyway. I kind of like mixed it. I put it on top of the eyeshadow that I did on this palette, so that's probably why it did that. But other than that, yeah, it was all right. You paid 27 bucks, so you can't really complain. But the eyeshadow was also not as good as I thought it was gonna be. I mean, I've seen other YouTubers, like I've seen Kathleen Lights say that it wasn't that pigmented. So yeah, when I tried it for myself, it really wasn't as pigmented because in the palette it looks really, really gorgeous. But when I touch it with my brush and kind of like it didn't translate the way it did on the pan. Like I was expecting both of these colors, like this color and this color. They were not as dark as I thought it was gonna be. Like this look turned out peachy instead of like burgundy. Like, I was going for the burgundy sunset look, but it didn't translate that way because it wasn't as pigmented. But for beginners, this is probably a good palette because you can just build it up. But as I was like building up, thinking that I would get this color payoff on the pan, no to avail. It just didn't. Like, it just turned out to be like a warm peachy eye look. The shimmers were really good. They were very foiled eyeshadows. But other than that, this month's box is $206. Just the bronzer itself is already like a winner for me. So yeah guys, that's it for my what's in my BOXYCHARM August 2021. I enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed putting it on me. And yeah, please like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of this. Also, please follow me on Instagram and Facebook page at The Beauty Scientist, and I will catch you guys on my next one. See ya!